Okay, so hi dear Libra, very good evening to you guys. This is Tarot Anjali, and this is a journal, no contact love reading for all the Libra Sun, Moon, Venus, or Rising from today till the end of May 2026. Please keep in mind it might or might not resonate as it is a general reading. If it does, good. If it doesn't, don't worry about it. Okay, just let it go. And for personal reading healing sessions, check out the description box. You'll find the links below. For tarot reading course and self love course and Ho'oponopono masterclass, two links are given below. So let's start. Let's see your current energies regarding your love and relationship area, Libra. So I have the Knight of Wands, the Four of Cups, and the Queen of Wands. Bottom of the deck is the Ten of Wands. From the deep corner, deep underneath, you guys are having this very heavy and burdensome kind of energy regarding love and relationship. You guys are not sure whether you guys will be able to have a good relationship or you're looking forward to have good relationship because you are associating relationship or romantic related relationship with a lot of heavy and burdensome kind of energies. Okay, when it comes to this conscious level, you guys are feeling quite excited, quite open, quite happy to the idea of connecting with somebody. But at the same time, there is disappointment also. You're working on yourself, you're working on this energy of looking good, feeling good, making yourself your priority, and manifesting a really good connection, really good bond. But there is a lot of disappointment also that is kind of stopping you again and again and again from moving forward in this direction. Disappointment in the sense you guys are feeling like, what if you are going to attract the wrong kind of person again? What if you are going to get your heart broken again? What if this is going to happen? What if that is going to happen? You have a lot of ifs and buts and this and that kind of energy inside of you regarding your love and relationship area, and you guys are trying to figure out the positive aspects, the positive ways to stay in touch with your heart and soul, not to close off. Let's see what are your energies for a new person, newborn, new connection, Libra. So I have the Page of Wands, the Six of Wands, the Two of Cups. Okay, so you guys, bottom of the deck is a Hanged Man. So you guys, your perception have shifted completely from what it used to be regarding your love and relationship area. Now it is totally different from what it used to be, and now you guys are more than ready to move forward. That is why I do see you guys attracting a really good bond, really good friendship kind of a deal, like a very happy go lucky kind of a connection. Both of you are feeling the friendship, both of you are feeling the bond, and both of you are going to sense that this connection can go somewhere, this connection can create some can be something meaningful down the line. And there is this energy of feeling a soulmate kind of a dynamic between you and somebody, and feeling like a really beautiful kind of a situation. So there are very good chances, Libra, that you guys will be able to attract a new bond, new connection, new friendship, and that has the potential, strong potential to go somewhere and create something really magical and beautiful in the coming future. Okay, so let me see from the romance angels for this new person, new connection, new bond. So we have the very soon. Clearly decide what you want so that it comes to you now. Yes, you will be able to attract exactly the kind of person that you're looking forward to have. Don't doubt it too much. Don't create so many obstacles or challenges for yourself. Because if something is going to give you this sense of, okay, really beautiful, really happy, really meaningful, don't ruin it by overthinking it. Of course, if you are seeing the red flags, if you are feeling like this is not it, but if it is something really beautiful, really true, don't mess this up, okay? Because you have the tendency to do that. Let's see for a past person, past situation, past thing that you might be still stuck on. We have the Death card, the Six of Pentacles, and the Fool card. You guys are free from that, right? Three of Swords, bottom of the deck. Whenever you're thinking about this past person, past situation, past connection, past bond, whatever you call it, there's a lot of heartbreak, there's a lot of hurt and pain, and there's a lot of painful memories associated with that situation, with that connection. So you guys are not into this energy of wanting to have something or someone from your past, especially the one that broke you into pieces, so especially the one that give you this energy of that you're never going to find love again in this lifetime. So with this past person past energy, the chapter is over. There's nothing that you guys are going to do about it. There's nothing the other person is going to do about it. There is this energy of having a break free or breakthrough kind of energy for both of you, you and your past person past energy, and both of you are just living your own lives, and both of you don't care about the other person's existence. To be honest with you, it's over, it's done, it's gone. Let's see for this past person past connection what we have from the romance angels. So I have the children. Your love life is being affected by children. Either one of you was a childlike, was having a childlike energy, very immature, very inconsistent, very on and off, in and out, and moody. And or there were children involved in the situation, and that created a lot of issues between you and this person. That is why you guys were not able to move forward, even if you wanted to. So this past person past situation is done, is kind of over, at least for the timing. It's not going anywhere. If you guys are waiting for it, it's kind of gone. Let's see the guidance for you guys here, Libra, for this month. So I have the Ace of Cups and the Nine of Cups and the Hanged Man. Bottom of the deck is the Knight of Swords. You don't have to run away from everything beautiful that's coming your way. Everything beautiful or everyone beautiful. Maybe you are getting chances to connect with people, to have good connections, to have good friendships and good bonds, and your inner energy is telling you to run away, because if something or someone is coming towards you with fresh energy, with beautiful and positive energies, you guys are like run away so far that you're never going to see anything or anyone coming towards you. Don't do that shit. If you're going to continuously, even if you're doing it energetically, if you're going to continuously be in this energy of running away from something or someone all the time, then how you will be able to manage the kind of good energies, good people, good situations that might come in your life next? Keep your heart open. Keep yourself in high vibrations, happy go lucky energy. Do things that you really 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 love to do from inside. Do things that makes you happy, that makes you vibrationally high, and try to see things from a totally different perspective now, right? Whatever you have gone through, you cannot change that, Libra, but you can change your perspective, you can change your point of view, you can change the way you are going to handle your life and see your life from this point onwards. Okay, so instead of going in the negative spiral that okay, everyone sucks, everything sucks, life is not good and people are not good, try to understand that everything is good as long as you are good. Your internal energies, your internal you know core belief matters. Until unless you guys are going to have a really good internal core belief, everything around you, outside of you is going to suck, and it's not going to give you any kind of happiness ever. So you guys have to change your internal core belief energies. Let's see the final message for you guys for this situation. So I have the separation. Time apart from your partner is on the horizon. So this is like this time apart from your partner is on the horizon. It already happened, and it gave you the time and the space and the reason to heal yourself from the deep of your center, right? So okay, everything happens for a reason, Libra, and you failing in your relationship also happened for a reason. Instead of focusing on the negatives of life, focus on the positives, take the lessons and blessings out of the situations, and try to understand what you got out of these situations, instead of trying to you know be in this negative spiral that everyone sucks, I'm fine, I'm good, everyone sucks. No. Okay, there is something in you that keeps on attracting these kind of energies again and again and again in your life, so work on that. Yeah. So yeah, thank you so much for tuning in, Libra. We'll see you soon in the next video. Bye bye, take care, may existence bless you. Namaste.